Hi and welcome back. Today we're going to learn and master how to add and subtract fractions with algebraic denominators. What a mouthful. But trust me, if you watch this video, you're going to become an expert at doing this. And it's not that hard once you get your head around it. So let's go through a worked example and then I'll give you one to do. So suppose you have this question, 3 on x minus 6, take 2 on x plus 2. If you're feeling good, if you're feeling confident, feel free to pause this video and give it a bit of a go. But we are going to go through it step by step so you know exactly what to do. So what we need to do is cross multiply. So step 1 is we're going to multiply this by this verse. So we do this whenever the denominator is not the same and we're either adding or subtracting fractions. We could cross multiply in order to make the denominator the same. So step 1, do that times that first, and let's write that out. So I'm going to have 3 brackets x plus 2, and it's going to be subtract, then you're going to do this times this. So subtract 2x minus 6. Okay, and then my denominator is going to have these two multiplied by each other, which is x minus 6, x plus 2. Then what we need to do is expand the numerator, but not the denominator. We're going to keep the denominator in factorized form, otherwise we'll get a quadratic, which we can't simplify. But the numerator, we want to expand because we could collect like terms. So it makes it simpler. So when we say expand, whatever's outside the bracket, you have to multiply by whatever's in the bracket. So step 1, we're going to do 3 times x, which is 3x. And then 3 times positive 2, which is plus 6. Next, we're going to do minus 2 times x, which is neg 2x, and be careful of the double negatives here, minus 2 times minus 6. So minus times a minus is a positive, and 2 times 6 is 12. And my denominator, just keep as a in factorized form, so in brackets, so it's just x takes 6, x plus 2. Now we could collect like terms, so we've got 3x, take away 2x, which is just 1x, which we could just represent as just x. And then we've got, I should try to use a different color, positive 6 plus 12, which is 18. So x plus 18. Can you hear my accent when I say 18? And then on the denominator, on the bottom, you could say it's just x takes 6, x plus 2. Boom, and that's it. Well done, well done. Hopefully you understand the process there, and it's not that bad. Let's give you one more for you to have a bit of a go, and then we'll go through this as well, as always. So, we have 4 on x take 5, subtract 3 on x plus 1. So I want you to give this a bit of a go. Use the same method that we've just done. So cross multiply, expand the numerator, and collect like terms. And then we'll give it a go. So let's do this. Hopefully you've had a bit of a go. So step 1, that times that. So we would have 4 brackets x plus 1, subtract that times that, which is 3 brackets x take 5, and on the denominator, those multiply by each other. X take 5, x plus 1. Okay, let's simplify my numerator. So that times that first, and then that times that, which just gives me 4x plus 4. This times this, which is neg 3x, and then finally that times that, neg 3 times negative 5, which is plus 15. On the denominator, you just have x take 5, x plus 1, and now let's collect like terms. So you've got 4x take 3x, which is just 1x again. And 4 plus 5, which is 19. And on the denominator, x take 5 and x plus 1. And there you have it. That's how you do questions like this when you've got algebra on the denominator and you're trying to add or subtract fractions. Hopefully you're feeling good, you're feeling confident, and you're having fun. That's the main part, actually. Having fun, learning, and feeling better. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.